The Boating Adventure, Community Post, Channel Update, number 49. Welcome to the Cuddy of the Swamp Duck. It's Sunday the 1st of October 2023 and I'm currently moored up at Mercia Marina. I came up this way yesterday and I had every intention of doing some filming. I was going to take the bike off the front of the boat and go and do a little bit of filming off the towpath in this area. But the weather had other ideas. As I got closer and closer to this area, it started to pour down with rain and it was quite torrential. So I had no intention of actually coming in here, but it just got so awful. I thought, no, I'll come into the marina so at least I can have some electricity and I can do some editing whilst I'm waiting for the rain to stop. But it's rained on and off all night. It's not raining at the moment, although it looks like it might do, I don't know. It was my original intention to return home today, having done the filming, but I haven't done it yet, so we'll see how we go with that one. My next video goes out on Saturday the 14th of October 2023 at 8 AM, and that is the big one. That is our trip down the tidal Trent. It was a fantastic day actually. Couldn't be any more different than it is today. It was brilliant sunshine. We had the top down all the way, and so we were able to do a whole load of footage. We took loads of photographs and lots of video, so the difficulty in editing was actually getting it down to a reasonable amount of time. I normally don't like to let my videos run over half an hour. I think you guys might lose interest. But on this occasion the video just runs a little bit longer than that because there was just so much wonderful footage of going down the tidal Trent. So please join me for the premiere viewing of that at 8 AM on Saturday the 14th of October 2023. I'd just like to say a big thank you to all those people who have recently subscribed to the channel. So welcome to you, and thank you for subscribing. And thank you to all my subscribers, those of you who have been with the channel for some time now. I do appreciate all your comments and all your support. Keeps me going. So thank you very much. So as always, do take care.